Good morning, student. Grade 5, subject Maths. Our next topic is least common multiple. Least common multiple LCM. Denoted by LCM. My practice time 3. Find the LCM of the following using multiples method. Using multiples method. So multiple of 12 is equal to multiples of 12 is equal to 12th table 1 12s are 12, 2 12s are 24, 3 12s are 36, 4 12s are 48, 5 12s are 60, 6 12s are 72, 7 12s are 84 and etc. Next one, multiples of 15 is equal to multiples of 15 is equal to 1 15s are 50, 2 15s are 30, 3 15s are 45, 4 15s are 60, 5 15s are 75, etc. The least common multiples of 12 and 15 is equal to 60 and etc. Least common multiple is called LCM. Least common multiples of 12 and 15. The first common multiple of 12 and 15 is equal to 60. Here also 60. Therefore, LCM of 12 and 15 is equal to 60. Roman 2, 30 and 40. Roman 2, 30 and 40. 30 and 40. The multiples of 30 is equal to 1 30s are 30, 2 30s are 60, 90, 120, 150 and etc. Multiples of 45 is equal to multiples of 45 is equal to 1 45s are 45, 2 45s are 90, the 135 and etc. Least common multiples of 30 and 45 90. Least common multiples of 30 and 45 is equal to least common multiples of 30 and 45 is equal to the 90 in both 30 and 45 multiples. So least first common multiple is 90. It is called least common multiples. LCM of 30 and 45 is equal to 90. And third one, 12, 15 and 18. The multiples of 12. Multiples of 12 is equal to 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, etc. Next one, multiples of 15 is equal to 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, etc. And the multiples of 18 is equal to 18, 36, 54, 72, and 72, 88, 108, and it goes 108 plus 18 is equal to 60 plus 1, 126, 8 is equal to 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 144 and etc. The least common multiples of 12, 15 and 18, 26, 30, 48, 60, 60, 72, 96, 90, 120, 124, it goes on. So 112, so multiples are going to extend 108, 120, 120, 120, 132, 144, 144, 140, 156, 158, 168, 168, 180, etc. So extend multiples of 50, 135, 135 goes 135, 150, 165, 180 and etc. The multiples of 18 is equal to 154 plus 8, 154 plus 18, 12, plus 1, 5, 6, 162, 162 plus 18, 180. So least common multiples. The comparing 12, 15 and 18, least common multiples. 18, 180, 180, 180. The least common multiples. The common multiples of the three numbers 180, 180, 180. The first common multiples. First common 180, 180, 180. Therefore, the least common multiple is equal to 180. Question number 2. Find the LCM of the following using division method. Second method, division using division method. Find the LCM of 39 and 90. 39 and 91. So division method. First 39 and 91. 39 and 91 in common table. 1 13s are 13, 2 13s are 46, 3 13s are 39, 4 13s are 52, 5 13s are 65, 7 13s are 78, and 8 13s are 91. In 13th table, 39 comes 3 times, 91 comes 8 times. How many times? 91 comes 8 times. Next one, third table, 3 comes 1 times. This one, second table, 8. 3 comes 1 times. In third table, 3 comes 1 times. And 8 is not in third table, so we bring down the value 8. Next, in second table, 1, 8 comes second table 2 times, sorry 4 times. Once again, second table 1, 4 comes in 2 table 2 times. Again, second table 2 comes second table 1 times. Therefore, the LCM of 39 and 91 is equal to 13 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 3 times 2. So 13 into 3, 39. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 9 8s are 72, 2 balance 7. 3 8s are 24, 24 plus 7 31, 312. The LCM of 39 and 91 is equal to 312. Second one, find the LCM of the following using the division method. Division method. First in division method, 39, and 91 in common table. 1 13s are 13, 2 13s are 26, 3 13s are 39, 4 13s are 52, 5 13s are 65, 6 13s are 78, 7 13s are 91, and 39 comes in 13th table 3 times, 91 comes 7 times. Next one, third table 3 comes 1 times, not in 7. In third table 7 is not here, so bring down the value 7. Next we divide 7th table 1 and comes, so 7 1 times. So our final answer is LCM of 39 and 91 is equal to 39 and 91 is equal to 13 into 3 into 7. 13 3s are 39 into 7. 9 7s are 63. Balance 6. And 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 6, 27. So for our final answer is 273. Second sum, 96. Question number B, 96 and 66. Using division method, 96 and 66. 96 is even number, 66 also even number. So we divide in second table. 96 comes, 9 comes 4 times, remaining 1, 16 comes 8 times. So 48. 96 in second table 48 times. And 66 comes, 6 comes 3 times and 6 comes 3 times in second table. So 33. Next 48 is a even number, 33 is a odd number. So we can in third table 48 comes 16 times. 48 comes 16 times. Third table 48 comes 16 times. 33 comes 11 times. Next, and 16 is an even number, 11 is odd number. When in second table 16 comes 8 times and 11 not in second table, so bring down the value 11. Again second table 8 comes 4 times, so not in 11 is not in second table, so bring down the value 11. Next again second table 4 comes 2 times, bring down the value 11. Again second table 2 comes 1 times and 11. In 11th table 11 comes 1 times. So our final answer, LCM of 96 and 66 equal to 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So how many twos? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 twos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 twos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 twos. And into 11. First we multiply. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4 into 11. 6 4s are 24. 24 4 rounds are 44. 24 into 44. 24 into 44. So 4 fours are 60, balance 1. Again 4 fours are 60, balance 1, 70. So 2 twos are 2 fours are 8 and 2 fours are 8. 6 adding 7, 50, balance 1. So 10. So final answer is 1056. 1056. LCM of 96 and 60 is equal to 1056. So third sum. LCM of 33, 44 and 55. 3 numbers. 33, 44, 55. The LCM of 33, 44, 55. Taking the LCM 33, 44, 55 in 11th table. 11th table 3 times, 44 4 times, 55 5 times. Next third table. Third table 3 comes 1 times, 4, 5. This is second table. Second table 4 comes 2 times and 5 is not in second table. So bring down the 5. Second table. Again second table 1 times, 2 times, 2 comes second table 1 times and 5 is not in second table. So bring down the 5 and once again do 5. Fifth table 1, 1. 5 comes 1 times. Therefore, LCM of 33, 44 and 55 is equal to 11 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. 11 3s are 33, 2 2s are 4 into 5. 33, 4 5s are 20. Final answer is 660. Our final answer is 660. So LCM of 33, 44, 55 is equal to 660. Again one sum. 15, 20 and 8. 15, 20 and 8. So 15, 20, 8. 15, 20, 8. The common table, 3 numbers no common table. So we can split in third table. Put in third table or second table. We can do in second table. 15 not in second table. So bring down 15. Next 20 comes 10 times. 18 comes 9 times. Again third table. We put in third table. 15 comes 5 times and 10 not in the third table. And the 9 comes 3 times in third table. In fifth table 5 comes 1 times, 10 comes 2 times, now 3 is not in the fifth table, so bring the value 3. Again second table 1 times, second come 1 times, 3 not in the second table, so bring the value 3 and the 3 first 3 comes 1 times in third table. So LCM of 15, 20 and 18 is equal to 15, 20 and 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 2 into 3. Totally 5 numbers. So 2 into 3 into 5 into 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6, 5 2s are 10 into 3. So 6 3s are 18, 18 into 10, 180. Therefore, the LCM of 15, 20 and 18 is equal to 15 and 20, 18 is equal to 190. So third one, prime factorization method. Find the LCM of this one, third one. Third one, find the LCM of prime factorization method. Following using the prime factorization method. First question, 28 and 48. 28 and 48. The prime factorization method. First method we use multiples method, second method division method, and third method is prime factorization method. 28 prime factorization. 28 is an even number. So in second table, 28 comes, first number is 2. 2 comes in second table 1 times. 8 comes in second table 4 times. And again 14 is an even number. So we can divide second table. 14 comes in second table 7 times. So 7 is a prime number. So 7 comes 7th table 1 times. And 48. 48 is an even number. So we can divide it by 2. So 4 comes in second table 2 times. 8 comes second table 4 times. Again 24 is a even number. So we can divide it by 2. So 2 comes 1 times, 4 comes 2 times. The 12 is an even number. Again we divided by 12. 12 comes in second table 6 times. So 6 is an even number. Again we divided by 2. 6 comes 3 times. So third table 3 comes 1 times. Therefore, the factor of 28 is equal to factor of 28 is equal to factor of 28 is equal to 2 into 2 into 7. And the factors of 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So you can group from here common 2, here also common 2, other numbers are not common. So get LCM of 28 and 48 is equal to, in grouping form, in the bracket it is called group. In group, in one number is come 2 and other group is one number 2 and another number is 7, 2 and 2, 2 and 3. 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14, 2 3s are 6, and 4 14s are 56 into 6. 6 6 are 36, 6 balance 3, 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 3, 33. Our final answer is 336. In factorization, prime factorization method, 28 dividing long division method. So factors of 28 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Factors of 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Prime factorization of 28. When LCM find LCM of 28 and 48, form common number 2 and again 1, again 1 times 2 common. Therefore final, in common numbers 2 and other common numbers 2 and other numbers 7 and 2, 2 plus 3. You multiply all the numbers. So 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14, 2 3s are 6. So 4 14s are 56 into 6, 336. Okay. So 28 is equal to 28 is equal to 2 into, you can write 2 into 7. 28 is equal to 2 into 7. 48 is equal to 2 into 3. 48 is equal to 2 into 3. The form a group, the common number. In two numbers we have common number 2, 1, 2, and again 1, 2 is common. So 2 is common. Next LCM of 28 and 48 is equal to, how many common numbers? 2 common numbers. One is 2 and the other one is 2, and the other numbers 7, 2, 2, 3. 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14, 2 3s are 6, 4 14s are 56, 56 into 6, 6 6 are 26, balance 3, 5 6 are 30, 20 plus 3, 33. Final answer is LCM of 28 and 48 is equal to 336. And second sum 30 and 7. Second sum 30 and 70. 30 and 7. 30 in second table. 30 comes in second table 15 times. Third table 15 comes 5 times. In fifth table 5 comes 1 times. And 70 is an even number. So in second table 70 comes 35 times. And fifth table 35 comes 7 times. In seventh table 7 comes 1 times. The LCM of 30 is equal to, we can write 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. And again 70 we can write 2 into 5 into 7. 2 into 5 into 7. The form a common number. One number is common. That number is 2. The LCM of 30 and 70 is equal to, the common number 2 and the other one common number. Other common number is 5. So the common number 2 and the common number 5. Next one 3. Other numbers 3 and 7. We have two common numbers 2 and 5. We have two common numbers 2 and 5. So we can write common numbers 2 and 5 into other numbers 3 and 7. 2 5s are 10 and 3 7s are 21. So 21 into 10 to 10. Answer is LCM of 30 and 70 is equal to, LCM of 30 and 70 is equal to 10. And again in some 27 and 18. 27 and 18. 27 and 18. 27 is an odd number in third table. 27 9 times. 9 is odd number in third table. 3 times in third table. 1 times. 18 even number in second table. 18 comes 9 times. 9 is an odd number in third table. 3 times. In third table 1 times. Therefore 27 we can write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. And 18 we can write 2 into 3 into 3. The form a common number, one common number, and again 3 is a other common number. So 2 common numbers 3 and 3. The LCM of 27 and 18 and 18 is equal to, first we can write common numbers. One common numbers 3 and other common numbers also 3. And other numbers 3 into 2. So 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. 9 6 are 54. 9 6 are 54. The LCM of 27 and 18 is equal to LCM of 27 and 18 is equal to 54. And next three numbers 9 12 and 15. Next three numbers 9 12 and 15. 9 12 9 12 and 15. The question number n 9 12 and 15. 9 is third table 3 times. 3 is third table 1 times. 12 is third table. Sorry, 12 is even number in second table. Second table 6 times, and 6 is an even number in second table 3 times. 3 is a odd number in third table 1 times. 15 comes third table 5 times, and 5 comes fifth table 1 times. Therefore, 9 we can write 3 into 3. 12 we can write 2 into 3. 15 we can write 3 into 5. 3 into 5. The 5 common numbers in 3. Find common numbers in 3 numbers. So common number 1 3 3. So in 3 is a common number. 3 is a common number. And the other number 3 2 2 2 no common numbers. So LCM of 9 12 15 having one common number is a 3, and other numbers 3 2 2 and 5. 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4 5, 9 4s are 36, 36 into 5, 6 5s are 30, balance 0, balance 3, 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 3 18. My answer is 180. Question number n, our answer is 180. And the second sum, question number O, in 3 numbers 22 36 40. 26 36 40. 26 36 40. 20, question number O, 22 36 and 48. 22 even number in second table 11 times. 11 is a prime number, so 11th table 1 times. 36 second table 18 times, so 18 is an even number second table 9 times. 9 is odd number third table 3 times. Third table is 1 times. And 48 comes in second table 24 times. Second table 24 comes 12 times. Again second table 6 times. Again second table 3 times. Third table 1 times. So we can write the 22 equal to 2 into 11. 36 equal to 2 into 3 into 3. 48 is equal to, you can write 2 into 4 times. 2 into 3. 4 times. The common numbers. The 3 in the one common number and the other common numbers. Other common numbers we have 36 and 48. 36 and 48. 2 is a common. And also 3 is a other common number. Any other common numbers not here. So we can write LCM of 22 and 36 and 48 is equal to. So 2 is a one common number and the other 2 is a common number and the other 3. So common numbers 2, 2 and 3 and other numbers 11, 3, 2, and 2. So 2 2s are 4, 3 11s are 23, 2 3s are 6 into 2. So 4 that is 4 3s are 12, balance 1, 4 3s are 12, balance 1, 3. 6 2s are 12. So multiply 132 into 12. So 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 1 2s are 2, and 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3, 1 1s are 1. 4 8 5 1. So final is 1584. Next one, homework part. Some first one, D question number D. Second one, question number I and J H. Third question, E F P and the 7 sums are normal sums. Thank you, students.